Hello, friend. Are you there? It has been a while, hasn't it? Well, we're both here. Do you see it? Do you know where we both are? Welcome to the underbelly of the digital world, where the rules are made to be bent, if not broken. This isn't your typical cybersecurity tutorial. This is HckEd. You're not just another subscriber. You're an apprentice in the arcane art of hacking, learning to see through the digital facade that most people blindly accept. Every day, a new post. Every post, a step closer to mastery. This journey isn't for the faint of heart. It's gritty, it's raw, it's the truth of the cyber trenches. From the first tentative steps of a novice to the godlike prowess of a hacking maestro, we dive deep. You'll unravel the mysteries of computer systems, explore the labyrinth of security protocols, and wield the power of ethical hacking. But this isn't about reckless power. It's about understanding the matrix of our digital existence. You'll get your hands dirty with the tools, the tricks, the methodologies that define the elite. You're not just learning to hack systems, you're learning to hack reality. Become the digital sovereign you were meant to be. Join HckEd and redefine your understanding of the cyberverse. So, what are you still doing here? You're at the crossroads now. Make a move. Click subscribe. Dive into the official HckEd YouTube channel. It's not just another digital rabbit hole. It's the gateway to something real, something raw. Then, navigate to hacked.xyz. Yeah, that's our domain in this vast digital wasteland. It's where the transformation begins. Join HckEd. Start the journey. From a mere neophyte, a digital wanderer, to becoming elite. It's not just about learning the ropes, it's about tearing them apart and reweaving them into something new, something you control.
Close to the FBI have confirmed
So,
the hacks were in part.
Why are you still here? Listening to me. It's time. Let's redefine what it means to be a hacker. Together.
It's happening, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening.
The control is yours, if you're daring enough to take it.